Hello students, in this question velocity of water current in a river is 2 km per hour. So there is a river and the velocity of water in that river is given to us, it's 2 km per hour. A boat rowing with a velocity of 8 km per hour, boat rowing with velocity 8 km per hour is directed towards exactly opposite point on other side of the bank. So if I draw the diagram here, let's assume this is a river which is flowing in this direction and the velocity of river flow is already given to us is 2 km per hour. And there is a boat which is directed towards exactly opposite point. So this boat is directed in this direction and speed is also given to us. Velocity of boat with respect to river is 8 km per hour. This is 8 km per hour. And this velocity is directed directly to the opposite bank. So this boat is trying to go in this direction, but as there is some velocity of river, so definitely the velocity of boat with respect to river and velocity of river, these two will add up to give me a net velocity in this direction. So definitely boat is going to be in this direction. Boat is definitely will move in this direction. Now it's also written in the question here. However, the boat strike the opposite bank 75 meter away from the desired point. So the desired point of boat was this point. Boat was trying to move from the point A to the directly opposite point on the other bank B, but it is moving towards C, and this distance is 75 meter as mentioned in the question. The distance B to C is 75 meter. So the drift is given to us. But the drift velocity now is the velocity of boat in the y direction. If I assume this to be x direction, this to be y direction, so the net velocity of boat in vector form, I can write it as velocity of boat with respect to river plus velocity of river. Velocity of boat with respect to river is in vertical direction. You can see here it's written in this question that boat is trying to move directly opposite point. So its velocity is in y direction. So it should be 8 into j cap plus velocity of river is 2 into y. So if you observe the net velocity of boat, it's only 2 in x direction and 8 in y direction. So in y direction, if the river width is w, so the distance w is going out to be covered with a speed of 8 and the 75 meter distance is covered with a speed of 2. Now the time required for boat to cover the width of the river, the time for crossing the river should be width of the river into the velocity divided by velocity in the y direction, which is only 8 here. So this should be the time, and in the same time the drift 75 meter, it should be the horizontal speed which is only 2 into the time which is w by 8. So you can solve this expression to get the width. So it's going out to be, the width is going out to be 4 times 75, or you can write it as 300 meters. So this is the width of the river, and if you read the question, they are asking the same thing. They are asking us the width of the river, so it is 300 meter. Thank you.